So I'm going to start with this flower bead, and it's got quite a chunky little base to it. So I'm going to just put this wire straight through it, and then I'm just going to bend these down at a right angle. I already have a ring design similar to this where you just sort of anchor the bead in place, and then you bend this out at a little bit of an angle, sort of at the base of the ring. So we're going to go out like that and out like that, just to kind of hold it in place. And then we're going to get the ring cone and hold it in place. Hopefully this isn't too fragile. I think it's a very thick glass. And we're going to bend this one around on top, and then we're going to bend this one below it. So we have just like sort of our base of the ring there. I'm actually going to wind these around either side first, which is what I have done previously in a simple wire ring tutorial. So we're just going to bend it around there and then bend it around this side. Then we'll just have a starting point for the ring. So we're going to bring that one around there. And so you can always pop it back on the ring form to make sure that the wires are somewhat lined up, and just pull them a little bit tight. Now, if you want this part to be more secure, you can wind around after the fact, just to make it a little more fancy. So we can go around this side a couple of times, and then we're going to remove it, and then we're just going to bend it around this side once. So we're just going to bend it all the way around one time and clip it in place, pinch that in a little bit, and then we can do the same on this side. So we can take this wire around here just below the petals, and I didn't cut it that long, so I'll only go around once. If you cut your wire longer, you can go around twice. So around, just all the way around, and then you want to cut it flush in there. So we're just going to clip that so it's flush, push that end so it's more flush, and then just put it back on the ring cone, and there you have your funky little flower ring.